This is a very specific Goan, I would say, advisory. As far as the Indian Olympic Association is concerned, we have a certain set of eligibility, and it's up to the state that how they want to implement their eligibility. I am in the know of this situation, that Goa is reserving or is making sure that there is 70% of the contingent which is by birth from Goa, which is a very good thing, and we support that. It's fantastic to have that kind of a formula. The remaining 30% part of the contingent, the players who are there, even if they are from outside, when I say outside, I really don't know. When you say outside, I really don't know what is meant by that. But if they are not residents of Goa per se, or they are not by birth from Goa, they still need to follow, they still need to fulfill the criteria of the eligibility. Means they should have had a domicile of Goa, which is minimum for 6 months, or they could have been, just living here, working here. They could be having an Aadhaar card of this place. They could just be native residents of Goa, but maybe not by birth or not natives of Goa. So from our side, the eligibility rule is pan-India across all the states, and it remains sacrosanct. So it's very specific to each state how they would like to, balance it and field their own teams.